If you're thinking about buying Switcher Studio, there are a few key things you need to know before diving in. This software has been making waves in the live streaming space, but is it really the right choice for you? Let's break it down, and I'll also show you how it compares to other popular streaming solutions so you can make the best decision. First up, let's talk about the ease of use. One of the standout features of Switcher Studio is how user-friendly it is. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The app is designed with creators in mind, whether you're running a live stream, for a podcast, a webinar, or any other type of content creation. Unlike more complex options like OBS or vMix, Switcher Studio is much easier to navigate even for beginners. Next thing, let's dive into the multi-camera functionality. If you've ever tried to stream from multiple cameras, you know how tricky it can get. Switcher Studio allows you to connect up to 9 devices, including iPhones, iPads, and even webcams, all working as live cameras. This can add a lot of depth to your stream, especially compared to traditional webcam-only options, or even platforms like Streamlabs, which may require more external hardware or complicated setups. The third thing to know is that Switcher Studio is incredibly mobile-friendly. You can stream live from your phone or tablet and manage everything through the app itself. This gives you a lot of flexibility and mobility, which is something platforms like OBS can't provide as easily. Plus, if you need to be on the go, you can still produce high-quality content without a massive setup. Now let's talk about its integration capabilities. Switcher Studio integrates with a variety of platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and even custom RTMP servers. It gives you the ability to stream to multiple platforms simultaneously, making it a great choice for content creators who want to maximize their reach. In comparison to competitors like Wirecast, Switcher Studio's integration feels much more seamless and straightforward, which can save you time when setting up for a live stream. Another crucial thing to consider is the pricing. While Switcher Studio isn't the cheapest option on the market, especially when compared to free options like OBS, it's definitely more affordable than pro-level software like vMix or Wirecast, which can cost hundreds of dollars. With Switcher Studio, you get access to a range of features that would otherwise require multiple tools. So if you're looking for something that offers good value without breaking the bank, this could be a solid option. The sixth thing to mention is the fact that Switcher Studio is cloud-based. This means you don't need to rely on a heavy desktop setup or worry about your system crashing midstream. Everything is stored in the cloud, which makes your live streaming experience smoother and more reliable. Some competitors still rely heavily on desktop-based software, which can be clunky or prone to crashes when running for extended periods. And finally, let's talk about customer support. Switcher Studio offers a solid support system with tutorials, live chat, and a knowledge base. Compared to some other platforms where support can be sluggish or hard to access, this makes a real difference when you're just getting started or troubleshooting a live event. Their support team is quick to respond, making the learning curve much less daunting. If you're still unsure, here's a pro tip. You can actually try Switcher Studio for completely free by clicking the first link below. This will give you access to a trial version so you can test everything out for yourself before committing. So there you have it. Switcher Studio's ease of use, multi-camera capabilities, mobile-friendly design, powerful integrations, solid pricing, cloud-based reliability, and top-notch customer support all make it a strong contender in the live streaming space. If you want to try out Switcher Studio, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial available, plus some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out.